My name is Melissa Jones, and this is my audience for my demonstrative speech on how to wrap a present. All right, I want you guys to close your eyes and imagine that you are at an elaborate costume party. It's for your birthday, so everyone in attendance is someone that you know. And while you know everyone there, it's hard to tell who each one is behind all those costumes. Imagine that there is a lanky, wildly colored giraffe, a proud and stately queen adorned with a comedy or tragedy mask, better yet, an invincible superhero conquering the party. Each one precisely dressed to draw out your attention and curiosity. Now imagine that same feeling when you walk up to the table piled high with your birthday present. Which one draws your attention and which one do you want to open first? My guess is the present that's wrapped as exquisitely as all of your party guests. And what I'm going to do today is show you how to successfully and creatively wrap that present. Now, it's important first to understand what the occasion is that you're giving the gift for. I've chosen Christmas, and I have repurposed a lot of things that I have at the house to wrap my present and embellish my present. Camilla Styles suggests that you use embellishments that fit the gift and the occasion that you're giving it for. So that's why I've chosen red and white yarn instead of ribbon, a pretty gold embossed gift tag with red jingle bells, some old berries and pine from an old wreath. You're gonna want to clear a large surface to do your work and get the necessary materials. So you need some scissors. Obviously you need some tape. I would suggest 2 rolls of tape and a pen to write out your card. So go ahead and get started and lay out your wrapping material. I used an old Christmas pillowcase. So again, get creative and use what you have. It's important, and according to gifts.com, to appropriately measure out the wrapping paper or material that you're gonna need to cover your present evenly. So go ahead then and place the gift in the middle of your wrapping material. Take that first side and fold it over nice and tight, smooth it out. You can hold it down with one hand and use your tape to secure that wrapping on that side. And then, as everyone knows, Martha Stewart makes everything look good, and she suggests to fold over that next side to create a clean line. So go ahead and fold it over, holding it nice and tight. You're gonna have to do a lot of wrapping with one hand, holding one side, and using the other hand to tape it down. Again, secure it with your tape. Go ahead then and turn your present to the side. And at the ends, you're gonna wanna take those 2 pieces and crease it right down the middle, kind of making a triangular shape. Fold it inward, crease it at the bottom, fold it down and create the first side of that triangle. Go ahead and use more tape to secure it. And then repeat that on the left side, holding all those pieces down again and creating that triangle at the bottom. And secure that again with more tape. And you can use whatever kind of tape you want, whatever tape you have. Fold it down, create that nice clean line again. Thank you, Martha Stewart, and fold it up. And secure it with tape. At this point, you can flip it up and again, kind of pull it nice and tight, and you're gonna repeat that process on the other side. So again, create that crease right at the bottom, folding over that right side to half a triangle, secure with tape. Crease that left side again, holding it at the bottom. Secure with tape. Create more clean lines, fold it in. At this point, you can turn it on its side, lift it up, and secure with more tape. So now you've got your nicely wrapped, neat package. And now we're gonna adorn it with some embellishments. Again, I've taken that red and white yarn and evenly cut a nice big piece. You're gonna wanna place it kind of in the center, in the middle of the box. Hold it tight, down, wrap it around and twist it in the back. Again, holding it pretty tight, like that. Flip it around. Hopefully your present is nice and light. And you're gonna wanna tie it, and in order to make it secure, I'm gonna loop it through underneath that first piece of yarn that you had. So go ahead and tie it in the middle. And then take those embellishments and kind of tie it in the middle or at the end, wherever you decide. Then take that pretty note card. Go ahead and at that point write out Merry Christmas, who it's for, maybe who it's from, and attach it to the ribbon that you already have in a nice, neat bow at the front. And possibly if you need to trim off any extra pieces to make it look good. So the next time that you receive a beautifully wrapped gift that is almost too good to unwrap, you will know the effort that it took to create that feeling. And with the guidance I have given you, you too can create that feeling.